Introducing Apple Vision Pro, the era of spatial computing.
On June 5, 2023, Apple unleashed this game-changing product upon the world, and the excitement leading up to it was palpable.
Apple just demolished the competition.
Official, I've had a demo, and wow.
This headset is claiming to be the ultimate mixed reality VR/AR experience, and I will say, it may very well be.
The anticipation caused Apple's stock to soar, as investors and industry leaders knew that the introduction of the Vision Pro would forever alter human history. The moment the product was announced, it was instantly compared to the groundbreaking impact of the first iPhone and the first Mac. The Vision Pro has received praise from all corners of the internet and media. The Vision Pro claims to offer the ultimate mixed reality VR/AR experience, and it just might live up to that promise. With features like real-time world recreation using LiDAR scanning and true-depth cameras, all while remaining cool and quiet, this headset is mind-blowing. Yes, the price is steep, but even so, I am completely blown away. The whole world seems to be abuzz with excitement over Apple's most addictive, cutting-edge, and groundbreaking piece of technology. Even major companies like Disney are partnering with Apple, convinced that the Vision Pro will be the VR headset to bring virtual reality into the mainstream. Disney's CEO believes that the Apple Vision Pro is a revolutionary platform that can turn their vision into reality. And they may not be entirely wrong. This is undoubtedly a groundbreaking and unprecedented product. Amidst all the hype and acclaim, one question continues to linger in my mind. What problem is this solving? This is the fundamental question every business should answer when creating a product. The greater the problem and the bigger the solution, the more successful the business becomes. Amazon's Jeff Bezos, for example, solved the problem of the hassle of shopping in physical stores, leading to the immense success of his company. So, what problem is Apple trying to solve with the Vision Pro? At first glance, it appears they're simply addressing the lack of popularity of virtual reality among the general public. But is that really a problem? Do people outside of Silicon Valley elites truly desire mainstream virtual reality? The real problem the Vision Pro aims to solve lies in the fact that most people in the world can't have everything they want or need. The average person struggles to make ends meet, dealing with increasing expenses, stagnant income, and a sense of despair and monotony in their lives. With the perfect virtual reality system, this problem can be solved. If the product is good enough, it can provide an escape from the grim reality of everyday life and transport people to a world of endless possibilities and pleasures. Loneliness, mundane routines, and limited experiences can all fade away with the Vision Pro. The blending of the real world and the digital world, a process Apple has already initiated with its iPhones and Macs, can now be taken to a whole new level. Apple envisions a world where your entire reality is plugged into the Appleverse, where your consciousness seamlessly connects with your personal and professional life. But is any of this a problem? Is it a negative thing? And will it really be widely adopted? Considering the hefty price tag of $3,500, many people can't afford that amount in a month, let alone in one purchase. However, I believe that the development of the Vision Pro goes far deeper than we initially perceive, and Apple has a plan to make it as commonplace as MacBooks are today. This is Apple's strategy, and understanding the true consequences of the Vision Pro is what terrifies experts. To comprehend why Apple created the Vision Pro and to comprehend why Apple created the Vision Pro in the first place, we need to understand Apple's overarching strategy and their vision for the future. Apple has always been at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of technology and consumer experience. They have a track record of introducing products that initially seem niche or expensive but eventually become mainstream and widely adopted. With the Vision Pro, Apple is not only targeting the existing market for virtual reality and augmented reality but also aiming to create an entirely new market and redefine how we interact with technology. They want to shape the future of computing and human-machine interaction. Apple's strategy has always been to create a seamless ecosystem of devices and services that work together harmoniously. The Vision Pro is another piece in this ecosystem, designed to integrate with existing Apple devices like iPhones, Macs, and Apple Watches. It serves as a bridge between the virtual and physical worlds, allowing users to seamlessly transition between them. Imagine a future where your Vision Pro headset becomes an essential tool for productivity, communication, entertainment, and even healthcare. You can have virtual meetings with colleagues from around the world, collaborate on projects in a shared virtual space, immerse yourself in virtual travel experiences. In summary, the Vision Pro is not just a virtual reality headset. It's part of Apple's grand vision for the future of computing, human-machine interaction, and the integration of the digital and physical worlds.